Anthony, this is the power, comes into the 2 power, 4 to 20. This control system here, 4 milliamps is 0%. If I go to 8 milliamps, or close to 8 milliamps, that'll be 25%. 16, 12 will be 50%. There's 50, and 16 will be 75%. Percentage here I'm talking about. And 20 milliamps is 100%. So this takes 1.8 amps. 24 volts DC, 4 to 20 control, full open close, 10 seconds to the valve. So I'm going to close it now, and we'll do the 10 seconds. So there you go. Here's a side view of the valve showing the top to bottom, an angle view showing the access port for the turnoff. Here's the end view, and here is the access port removed and using the manual tool to turn it off.